So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami water bomb, and then after I make the water bomb, I'll show you how to turn it into a pumpkin for Halloween. Okay, but for the first one, just to make a water bomb, you only need origami sheet, okay? But to turn it into a pumpkin, what you will need is a black marker or black pen, any type of thing, a pipe cleaner, and a scissor. And to do this, adding this into this flat, like it's flat, then you open it. There are two ways of doing this. You can either take this and put it straight in, Or what you can do is, see this, just put it in. I'd rather recommend you doing this way. So this is a water bomb, and how to fill this up. You can fill it up with water, but what you will do is, see this side, how there is no hole? You can see? And if you look at the other side, there's this tiny little hole, okay? So what you will do is blow into this tiny hole. So now, like I said, you need to blow into this. It's not letting blow. So now you can see it's a ball, but it's also a water bomb. You can fill it up with water now. But origami paper may not be strong enough to hold it, so to fill it water up, or it may break if you squeeze it. So the best thing, if you want to make it fill up, is do the same thing. Turn construction paper into a square, and then make the thing, blow it and fold it into a water bomb. So now to turn this into a pumpkin, what you will do is, see this flap? Has none of these. So what you will do is push your finger in and then quickly take this. Push your finger and take this. Now you got this. Now you want to make the face so it's facing this is up. Now let me quickly take it and do it. You can do whatever you want. You can do all sorts of designs for your pumpkin's face. Okay, you can do anything you want. So that will be mine, or wait, I'm gonna add something. So this will be my pumpkin. Okay, now let me blow it up again. So it's like this. See your pumpkin? Now what you wanna do is take your pipe cleaner and put this in all the way until it touches the bottom. Okay, now it touches the bottom. You don't want it stem this long, okay? So what you'll do is take a scissor and do it how long you want. Maybe up to here. Now the rest of it you won't need, so I'll put it on the side. Put also your scissor and your black marker, and here is the final. And you can take this out and turn it back to a water bomb. We'll just have a design, but you can put a design right here, or you can put it right here. Please subscribe, like, and share, and give this video a big thumbs up.
And thumbs